So this worked pretty good. It's starting to get cloudy out here, but I put this little bag of lentils from Costco inside of this uh, black painted uh, canning jar inside of the solar cooking funnel. And I'm not sure I put it the right way. I need to reread the stuff, and it looks like I need to do the foil on this and make sure I point it the right way at the sun and stuff. But I left it out here for about 30 minutes while I was talking to my friend Jose Luis, and it got hot. So I just opened it, and it's cooling off a little bit, but it worked good. And I think I can kind of refine that and make it work a little bit better. Then over there, I put that dish up there, and that was pretty hot. I'm going to try to hang a little pan from there and see how that works maybe tomorrow. But hopefully we'll be able to start doing some solar cooking out here and get some food going.